Welcome, everyone. Today's video is not just a message. It's a mirror that shows you the truth about your life, your pain, your blessings, your failures, your success, your relationships, and the hidden force behind all of it. Karma, not religion, not superstition. A law stronger than gravity. It follows you even when you forget it. It records everything, even your secret intentions. And one day it returns. This video is different. It's deep, it's uncomfortable, and it's honest. Because here you'll learn what karma really is, how it shapes your future, how it balances your past, and the truth no one talks about. So sit with this video the way you would sit with your own truth. Because this isn't about others. This is about you and what your karma is doing when no one is watching. Most people think karma is punishment. That if you hurt someone, something bad will happen to you. That if you lie, someone will lie to you. That idea isn't wrong, but it's incomplete. Karma is not revenge. Karma is reflection. It doesn't come to destroy you. It comes to balance you, to teach you, to return what you sent out. If you plant seeds of pain, it doesn't matter how much you pray. You'll grow a garden of suffering. If you plant seeds of peace, even in chaos, peace will return to you, often in ways you never expected. Karma is the energy you release into the world through your actions, thoughts, intentions, and choices. It builds your future brick by brick. Every time you speak behind someone's back, karma records it. Every time you help someone silently, karma remembers it. Not the world. Karma. Because karma doesn't care what people saw. It doesn't care how many applauded you, how many believed your story, or how clever your excuse was. It records energy, the truth behind your action, the intention behind your smile, the weight behind your silence, the pattern behind your choices. It sees the real version of you, not the one you show others, but the one you hide, even from yourself. Karma is not looking for perfection. It's looking for alignment. Are your actions aligned with your inner truth? Are your words aligned with your soul? Are your goals aligned with your integrity? When they are, karma supports you even during struggle. When they aren't, karma removes things even during success. Because karma doesn't care what you achieve. Cares how you achieved it. Cares who you became along the way. You can't reach peace by stepping on people. You can't reach love through lies. You can't destroy others and expect calm in return. That's not karma's language. That's the world's illusion. And karma exists to break that illusion. Karma watches the seeds, not the fruits. People often say, I did the right thing and still got hurt. I gave love and received pain. I was honest and got betrayed. And that's true. But karma is not an instant reward system. It's an eternal balance sheet. It may not reward you today, but it never forgets the deposit. Likewise, you may hurt someone and feel nothing immediately. You may lie, manipulate, or cheat and still win in the short term. But karma is patient. It watches how you win, not just that you win. Slowly, that energy becomes the world you live in. Every repeated thought, every emotional habit, every choice feeds karma another brick. Your job is not to beg for better results. Your job is to ask, what am I feeding the system? Am I building a house of truth or a castle of lies? Because eventually you will live inside it. Karma is the architecture of your future. The most powerful karmic moments are invisible. Returning extra change when no one notices. Telling the truth when it costs you. Staying kind to someone who can give you nothing. Choosing silence instead of poison. Healing yourself instead of hurting others. These moments are not small. They define the quality of your future, even when no one sees them. Because karma sees them. And here's the truth. Karma is not in the sky. It's not in your horoscope. It's not hidden in the stars. It's in your daily decisions. Your words. Your attitude. Your thoughts when you're angry. Your actions when no one is watching. Your honesty when lying would be easier. You don't escape karma by being spiritual. You escape bad karma by being real. The first law of karma is cause and effect. Whatever you plant, you will harvest. Every thought, every word, every action plants a seed. Not in soil, but in time, in reality, in your own future. You can't plant lies and expect peace. You can't plant jealousy and expect love. Many people ask why their life feels painful, why they attract toxic relationships, why betrayal follows them. But they never ask what seeds they planted years ago, who they hurt, who they used, what games they played. Karma isn't punishing you. It's serving you the harvest you forgot you planted. Imagine someone who climbs by stepping on others, lying, cheating, stealing credit. They rise. But slowly, people treat them the same way. They're blamed, betrayed, isolated. Their behavior becomes their environment. Their past becomes their present. Karma doesn't forget. It waits. The second law is intention. Karma listens to intention, not excuses. You can do the right thing with the wrong heart and still create negative karma. You might give to show off. Karma sees the ego. Someone else may give nothing but pray sincerely for another's healing. Karma sees that purity. Words don't fool karma. Smiles don't fool karma. It reads the energy behind your actions. You may say, I didn't mean to hurt them. But if you knew your words were sharp and used them anyway, karma records the truth, not the excuse. You can apologize with words and still carry arrogance inside. The apology may be accepted, but karma knows whether it was real. And later, when pain returns, people wonder why. They forget the moment they lied to themselves. Karma doesn't reflect what you say. It reflects who you are. So ask yourself this. What seeds are you planting today with your thoughts? What intentions are hiding behind your kindness, your silence, your relationships? Because if the inside is not clean, karma will bring the dirt to the surface, through pain, loss, and awakening. And when it does, it's not there to punish you. It's there to teach you who you really are.